I'm your boy Chef Perry, the Vegan Grower. I'm going to share a little snack tip that I like to snack on sometimes. A couple cucumbers, nutritional yeast, and some chia seeds. Great for a snack, refreshing, got some nutrients with vitamin B12, some protein from chia seeds. Little knife. Actually, just cut off the ends there. I'll give you a better shot. I'm just going to cut the ends off. Put those over there. Slice it right down. 2 halves. 2 halves. Look at that, baby. 4 nice cucumbers. And I get some nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast, a tablespoon. And I just kind of shake it on there without wasting too much and kind of spill over the sides. I love this stuff. It gives you that little extra cheesy taste. Oh yeah. And a little bit more. You know what? A tablespoon and a half. These are big cucumbers. I like my nutritional yeast. Indeed. All right. A little chia seeds. Chia seeds. A little sprinkle on top. Look at that. And I have this quite a bit, especially now that cucumbers are in season. Just one healthy snack. You gotta get it in your mouth before all these fall off. Let's give it a shot. All right, let's give her a go. Cucumber, nutritional yeast, and chia seeds. Just a great snack, very refreshing. Again, it's got that cheesy flavor, a little bit of crunch from the cucumbers, the chia seeds. Helps with everything. There's all kinds of benefits to chia seeds. Just look it up. There's all kinds of stuff, protein, digestion, enzymes, everything. This is a terrific little snack. Fills you up, gets you over the hump through the day, midday, till dinner time. So, enjoy. 5 out of 5 stars. Gorillas. 5 out of 5 gorillas. If I don't see you again, or when I do see you again, namaste. Be kind. See ya.